How the fear of ghee began in India. In 1970s, an infamous scientist, Angel Keys, passed a study and claimed that saturated fats are the leading cause of heart attacks. Since it increases your bad cholesterol, big companies and doctors started telling people that not to eat ghee. You will get heart attack if you eat ghee daily.
Ghee is considered to be the best fat in the world, which is a unique combination of SCFA, and we are living on the land which has given us ghee. Still, we don't know its benefits. CLA found in ghee act as a fat cutter, shrinking the fat cells, reducing the visceral fat. मोटापा करता नहीं है बल्कि घटाता है. Second, it increases the good cholesterol. It's best to clean arteries, keeps your heart healthy as it is rich in antioxidants, vitamin A, D, E and CLA. Butyric acid found in ghee helps in the prevention of constipation since it lubricates the intestines. Fourth, it reduces dryness in the body. Fifth, it prevents acidity and gas. Sixth, it's good probiotic. Seventh, it cures cold and snoring if you pour drops of warm ghee in the nostrils. Eighth, it reduces the GI of the food if you pour raw ghee on chapatis or sabzi. Ninth, it boosts your energy and the stamina. Just make sure that you are eating the right ghee. The best ghee is made from desi cow milk using the traditional Bologna method. Curd is churned to extract makhan, which is then heated to make ghee. Most commercial brands uses cream from foreign cows, which does not offer the same benefits. Look for ghee made from curd and not cream for the healthiest option. If you want 100% benefits, choose the right one, not Amul, Patanjali or Govardhan. You can simply start your day with a tablespoon of warm ghee or mix it in warm water. Add raw cow ghee to your roti or the sabzi. At night, you can even drink a warm glass milk with ghee.
In the end, you have a choice to make.